Have you ever seen this much oregano? I literally never have. So let's figure out what the heck we can do with it. So after a little bit of research, it looks like there are a lot of things that you can do with oregano. First off, you can just eat it. Second off, you can throw it into a dehydrator. And number 3, I've read that you can actually just freeze the whole sprigs in a plastic bag or something like that in the freezer. Also, stick around to the end for my favorite use of all.
Okay, so before we dry it or freeze it or our mystery method it, we want to make sure that we wash it all off, get all the dirt and bugs and whatever else off, and then get it really, really dry.
Alright, method 1 here. Just pack it into this bag. This is a pretty boring method. Let's skip to the next one. Alright, well this is more of an experiment because... You're embarrassing. This is more of an experiment here. I'm really jam-packing it on. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but 1:05. Time 12 hours. There we go. And now we wait.
Okay, so somehow I misplaced the footage of me doing this with the oregano, but I luckily did this a couple months ago with some parsley, and the process is the same, so here you go.
I'm just going to start taking out some of these stems. They're not going to break down, and we don't want them.
So as a quick side note, these herbs that I've dried now a couple times are so much more potent than any store-bought herbs I've ever had. It's really ridiculous. You got to try it out.
And now our 4th and final option, cup of tea. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Let's see how it is. It's hot as heck. It's pretty dang good.